Hi guys, here is a quick fix on my workbench. This is an Itel A16 Plus motherboard that was sent to me. This phone was sent to me dead. So upon diagnostics, there was a full short on the VBAT line, which is the battery terminal has a full short. So after inspection, after visual inspection, I discovered that the power IC was faulty. So the power IC burns out due to a bad charger that was plugged in. Alright, so currently now I am about to change the power IC. Okay, so this A16 Plus, this Itel A16 Plus uses a power IC model which is SC2720A. SC2720A, that's the model number for the IC. Alright, that's the IC code number. So it shares the same power IC with Itel A56. Alright, it shares the same IC with Itel A56. So that is the bad IC over there. Alright, so I have a donor board that I'm going to use to pull the power IC from, which is Itel A56. Itel A56 motherboard. Alright, so there is the process of me reballing the donor IC that I removed from the A56 Itel A56 motherboard. Alright, so this is after installation. Okay, that's the bad power IC over there. It's been a while I uploaded videos. I've been so busy. Alright, this is the donor board. This is the Itel A56 donor board, so you guys can make research for it. SC2720A power IC. I have successfully mounted the board back to the frame. Okay, so I'm about to test it to see if the work was successful. Alright, so I also urge you guys to do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be uploading videos on mobile phone repair and diagnosis very soon. I'll be uploading videos more and more often. Okay, it's been a while. Thanks and God bless you. Alright, so I'm trying to power it now. Oh, nice. That's another successful jobs at AB Telecoms. Please you guys should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then you can also reach out to me on my on the comment section. If you have any issues, you can reach out to me. Okay, you can comment, like, and also share these videos. Alright, thanks and God bless you. So that is the power IC, bad power IC over there. So I tell you to take time to boot up. Okay, so you see on the first logo now. Also waiting for the second logo to pop up so that you boot. Alright, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks and God bless you. Peace out.